If you're a big fan of the 70 Series LandCruiser, you know that they come with terrible stereos, but they don't have to stay that way.
Hi, I'm Shaun, and this is my 70 Series LandCruiser.
So let's check this big blue beast out. Dirty Life rims with some sick 35-inch Yokohama Geolandar tyres.
Bar work from a large corporate entity.
Next gen clear view mirrors.
Safari RMAX package, clutch and snorkel.
Up top, Yakima roof rack.
Push company rooftop tent for all the girls. Shoot me a number below.
And to top it all off, the full tray canopy package. How sweet's that? But the real reason why we're here is the stereo. So we all know 70 Series are a tough, reliable rig, and the reason why we like to purchase these vehicles is because they're kind of unbreakable and things are just rugged, built tough. And so is the factory stereo. However, it does sound like you are listening to something through a tin can. So what does the 70 Series come with? It comes with a absolutely piece of junk head unit, and it comes with two, and only two, little 4-inch speakers that go up in the dash here, and it's just not great.
So they also don't come with sound deadening, so.
Let's get a little bit nerdy here. All right, so what do we run in our BAW full spec stereo system? In the rear, we're going to start with a full rear wall setup that comes from the Department of Interior. We do have a 10-inch sub that goes in the back here. To run all that, we do a amplifier that runs your sub by itself, and then we do another one that will run all of your speakers in your doors. 70 Series, like I said, there's no speakers in the doors, so let's have a look at how we do that as well. So to make the speakers work in the rear door, we've got an awesome little pod here that is housing our speaker, and this is just a two-way coaxial speaker for the rear door. All right, so up the front, it's a little bit more elaborate with this nice big pocket here to house a water bottle and some bits and pieces. Also, dual wielding for our driver here, and then in the old spot where the 4-inch speakers come out of, we actually put the tweeter that is a part of this component speaker setup in the front. Gives you really, really nice clear sound for your driver's seat.
So for infotainment purposes, we've got the Kenwood 10.1-inch floating head deck. So it's got the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless, we've got the digital radio, and it has 4 camera inputs. So to top it all off, we've done a full sound deadening system throughout the whole vehicle, and sounds like a Golf.
Sounds just like a Golf.
Let's recap what's in the BAW stereo package. 10.1-inch head unit, reverse camera, 6.5-inch front and rear speakers, front and rear speaker, door pods, 4-channel amplifier, 10-inch subwoofer, stage 4 sound deadening. Oh, sorry mate, door was open already. Tell the good people about the new shirts.
While he's enjoying that, you could be enjoying this. So these are our new t-shirts, born and built in Brisbane. It's on the website, you dogs, go and get some.